Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing another Boxycharm unboxing. I have my May box right here. I was really excited to open this up and see what was inside this month. You guys know I've been doing these for a while now and I feel like I just unboxed April, so I can't believe that the May box is already here. And I really loved what I got in last month's box. I've been using that Zoeva palette a ton, so I'm hoping that this month is going to be just as good. And let me know if you guys are excited for this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. Hit the little bell button right next to the red subscribe button, and what that does is it will notify you when I upload. It's basically like double subscribing so you don't miss out on my uploads. So let's get on into it. If you guys want to find out what is inside my May Boxycharm, please keep watching. So if you guys have never heard of Boxycharm before, which if you haven't, I would be very surprised. So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box, and I think it's the most popular beauty subscription box out of all of them. I remember back in the day when Birchbox reigned supreme, then Boxycharm came out and kind of just like took over the whole market, and everyone became obsessed with Boxycharm because the items that they put in the box were full size. They weren't like these little rinky-dink samples, and I think that kind of changed the subscription box game. You get 5 full-size beauty and or skincare products for $25. I think, did that price go up? I feel like it used to be like $22. Am I wrong? Or did it go up? They also have a premium box if you guys want to check that out as well. This is just the regular box, and Boxycharm is so kind enough to send these to me every month so I can share with you guys about what comes inside, so I'm super grateful for that. And I always have a affiliate code down below if you guys want to sign up. I do get a small amount of commission when you guys sign up, and I am so appreciative when you guys use my codes and my links, so thank you to you guys for your support. It means so much to me. What I do is I put my hand inside. If you guys watch these videos, you know, and then I kind of just feel around for the first thing, and I don't look at anything. I don't look at any spoilers. So let's go. First item. This is a brand I have never heard of before. It is Appeal Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick in Sugar and Spice. It is a pretty, kind of like Your Lips But Better nude. It's actually kind of similar to the liquid lipstick I have on today. A lot of times at Boxycharm, they will have brands that you may never have heard of before, or sometimes brands that you literally will only find in Boxycharm. So this, I'm assuming, is one of those brands. It's called Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. So this is definitely a color that I would wear. So that is the first item. Okay, there's something big in here, but take this out. What is this? Ooh, House Laboratories. This is a liquid eye liner, demi-matte liquid liner in Whiskey. So this is Lady Gaga's brand. I am really not a big Lady Gaga fan. So when her line came out, I wasn't like rushing to try it. I don't own any of the items, but the packaging is cool. It's like a matte kind of packaging, which I like. Demi-matte liquid eyeliner. Is it black? Okay. Oh, actually it looks kind of brown. It has a felt tip. This is not the felt tip that I like. I like the ones that are made up of bristles and kind of move around a little bit easier. See what else we have in here. Ooh, a brand that I love. This is Elemis, the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. So these, it looks like there's a lot in here. We have 60 pads. And I really like these. This is like those skin smoothing pads that kind of help with the texture of your skin. And they do kind of give a bit of a sensation to the skin when you use it. But I don't mind it because it doesn't make my skin red. It really kind of feels like it's working. So as long as it doesn't make my skin red or irritated, I like it. So I definitely will be trying these out. It says they are resurfacing facial pads, act as a very effective yet gentle exfoliator. Really love everything I've tried from Elemis. I'm a big fan of their cleansing balm. I like their marine oil, their green cleanser. I used that all up. That was like one of my favorite cleansers. Their products are really pricey. Like this is probably a lot of money. We will see when we take out the postcard. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is from Pretty Vulgar. This is a brand that you guys know if you follow Budget Beauty Buys. I've been finding a lot of Pretty Vulgar at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So this is their eyeshadow primer, and they always have really cute packaging. It has like a little bird on the logo. So let's see, it's probably just like a typical primer. Yeah, it just has like kind of a typical primer feel to it. I will definitely use this and see how my eyeshadow holds up with this. I love testing out eyeshadow primer. Okay, last item in the box. Ooh, we have a Tarte item. I love getting Tarte items in Boxycharm. So this is the Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. It's a no rinse micellar cleanser. You can use this anytime to remove a full face of makeup. Has babasu, won't strip your skin. Let's see what's in it. There's no alcohol, anything kind of super harsh in here, which is nice. This and the exfoliating pads I say would be my favorite item in the box this month. The packaging is super cute too. It has like little palm leaves on it. I wouldn't use a micellar water like ever to take off a full face of makeup because I have my whole routine down. I wouldn't just be able to go in with a pad and just take it off with this and be like, okay, I'm done. Like maybe if you had just gone to the gym and you just want to clean your face down. There's a fly in here that is literally trying to attack me. Maybe if you just came back from somewhere and you didn't have any makeup on, then I would probably use this just to clean off my face. So overall, I definitely think last month's box was a lot stronger than this month. I think this one was pretty decent. I want to see how this eyeliner is, although I feel some type of way about these types of felt tip liners. You just feel like they're a little bit more hard to work with. I'm excited to try the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. The Micellar cleansing water is really cool, and then the Elemis facial pads, really pumped about that. And then this is kind of just like a throwaway, this liquid lipstick. I'll probably just end up putting this in a giveaway, even though the color is pretty. I just feel like I have way too many liquid lipsticks. I have no pamphlet in here, so I don't know how much these items cost, so I'm just gonna quickly look them up on my phone and tally them up myself. Alright guys, so I added up the total of all the products. It came out to $140. Elemis pads are $59. The House Laboratories eyeliner, I believe, is $20. The lip gloss from Appeal is $21. The Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer is $20. The Tarte micellar water is only $18. I thought it was going to be a little bit more than that. So $140 value, and the cost of the box is $25. So a pretty good value. Although I wasn't like completely obsessed with this month, I still had a lot of fun opening up with you guys. I always love doing a Boxycharm unboxing with you, and since I didn't get my pamphlet this month, I can't let you know what number box I got, unfortunately. But let me know if you guys got the same box as me or if you got something else. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, my link will be down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!